What's up, mi gente? Today we're having date night and I'm gonna be cooking some Alfredo spaghetti along with some shrimp and lobster tails. Let's get into it. First, we'll start by boiling our spaghetti, then adding our Italian seasoning along with our heavy cream. Some cream cheese. Clean our lobster tails along with our shrimp. Throw some garlic butter in that pan and let's get to cooking. Shrimp, lobster tails, more lobster tails. Now let's move on to our freshly baked bread and add some garlic butter and broil for 2 minutes on high in the oven. And boom, we're done.